Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to introduce Temu coupon codes. First, you'll have to go and open your browser. Then after that, you should type here in the search bar the coupon.club, then hit enter. Then it will redirect you to this website. You can have many coupon codes for many services, including Apex, Spotify, Steam, PlayStation, and of course, Temu. So just click on this option, then it will redirect you to this page. Now you'll have to scroll down a little bit till you find here these coupon codes. You just have to click on show coupon code. It will show you this message. Just click on unlock now. After you click on unlock now, they will give you several tasks that you have to complete, only 2 of them, in order to get the code unlocked. And after that, you can use the code without any issue. And the tasks are very simple. You just have to download a specific application, go into a specific website, participate in a survey, etc. And the tasks depends on whether you are using the PC or the mobile phone. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.